family is very important. Let's try and see what those family characteristics are. The A family are made up of letters which all start with a horizontal along the red line. It's a horizontal backward push. So this detail is the first detail that must be added on all of these strokes, and this gives them a family likeness. So I've marked the red dot here. Now, getting back to our mechanical way of writing, we know we have to start with an I'm going up to make. Much the way a conductor lifts his baton to start his orchestra, an ice skater swishes upwards to start skating, the energy comes from that upstroke. This is a moment when you prepare your mind mentally for what you're about to write. Now move to the red dot, push back, down, up, down and up. Hang the C from the red line but touch your spacing stroke. Move up again to the red line, start on the D. The red dot is there, horizontal, back, down, up, all the way up, down, and finish on the red line. Move the pen to the next dot, horizontal push backwards, down, up, down, and all the way up to the red line. Go to the red dot, horizontal backward push, cross the corner, down and up. Pause whenever you need it. Always pause on the red line if you feel unbalanced. Down to the base and all the way back to the red line. Notice there's no rocking over and back. There's a pen lift and move to the starting position of the next letter. The tracing exercise for lesson 6. When you are making this tracing, imagine you are an engraver and you're going to do this slowly and perfectly. The first stroke is up, back, down, up, down and up. Lift the pen so that when you put the C on, you'll think it's all joined up. C, carry it up. Lift the pen, start the D on the red line, push back horizontally, down, up, all the way to the top, down, covering that stroke, up to the red line, push back, down, up. Lift your pen if you need to, balance yourself. Come up, finish on the red line, over to the red dot, back, down, slow into this corner, speed up, down slowly and speed up and finish on the red line. Now we're going to make the writing smaller. The grid has been shrunk to 1/4 of the size of the previous lessons. We're now going to start on the red dot, go to the red line, make an A, carry it up, make a D, carry it up, make an A, carry it up, make a G, carry it up, make an E and carry it up. Notice the E starts in the middle. If we do the same on aged, make an upstroke. I'm going up to make. Go to the red dot, A, carry it up, G, carry it up, start the E in the middle, and the D starts on the red dot and finish on the red dot. Now this is like an engraving at this stage. I'll show you how to write faster later, but your handwriting at its slow best must look like this. Later we can make it more speedy by making it smaller and more separated, but please attempt to do it like an engraving style at the beginning.